gonna be a very different day today. I'm just gonna actually try to figure out what kind of resort this is, because I haven't been on the slopes that much at all. I think I only rode the slopes on the first day when it was cloudy. So yeah, gonna look around and see what it's like. A bit of a relaxed day after yesterday's marathon, snow marathon. I'm gonna start my relaxed day from a slope that's called Kakatoa High. It's just above 11 kilometers. So I'm gonna have a look. How long would it take me to go down? I'm not gonna go too fast. Just a relaxed stroll down the mountain with some beautiful views as well. Like so. This is the entrance to the freeride area. I don't think those guys will enjoy it because this is the sunny side of the mountain. So the snow now here is really, really hard. And to be honest, there are not that many places left where you can get the untouched snow. This is the second freeride area, I guess. Again, the snow isn't great anymore, but you can see that a lot of people do enjoy this with the snow season. Still some people trying, but yeah, now it's not the best time. A cool thing about it is that this is the flattest part. It's quite long, but to be honest, you don't need much speed to cover it. I mean, this guy is stuck, but otherwise it's alright. There are somewhat steeper parts, but as you can see, there are still beginners here, just on the back edge. So it's quite friendly, beginner friendly. I've been here for a week. I had no idea that there was a little restaurant here. Good to know. This place is also the last chance where try to get to the second gondola, not the first gondola. So if you miss this turn, then you have to go on the first gondola again. Middle station on the first gondola. Really cool view now. The mountains are above. Very, very relaxed walk. This is a really fun part of the slope as it goes around. You can also enter this part. It's like a beginner forest freeride part, which is really fun when there's enough snow there. This is where I saw the fox on the first day. Yeah, it's not very challenging, but it gives you a good insight what does snowboarding between the trees mean. This is a part where Kakatoa High slope meets with the black slope. So this part, I would say 500 meters. It's a bit steep, but then again, it's very wide. So I don't think it poses any challenge for those who don't like to go too fast. This is what the forest part looks like from the bottom. It's crazy because when we came here a week ago, all of this was just like powdered snow, really, really soft, and now it looks like it's been rut trucked. A nice bonus is that there are some waves here. You go up, down. It's pretty cool. Pretty fun. Come down, you can ride over. This probably is the most annoying part for the beginners, because to get to the chairlift entrance, which is over there, this part is quite flat. So if you keep stopping, then you will have to walk because you just won't have enough slope to get you all the way there. All right, I'm at the bottom. It took me 30 minutes to get here. I probably was going a bit faster than beginners would, but still quite relaxed, especially if you stop somewhere in the middle or something. But yeah, I would say half an hour, 40 minutes. It's a really nice slope actually. It's wide, the snow is good, the angles are right, so yeah, really nice. Alright, so the next run I wanted to check out is called Singali. It starts from the second chairlift. The first station is the second chairlift. There is no sign, which is annoying. It starts from this swing, and we gotta go to the right. Alright, straight away I think this run is pretty cool for beginners because there are no fences. So when there's some fresh snow, one could easily just ride off the slope onto the fresh snow. It's not very pleasant now because the snow is really hard, but it's a really, really cool feature here. So yeah, immediately like the slope for beginners. So yeah, stay on the slope or you can go on the fresh snow. Pretty cool. Yeah, I think the biggest advantage of this one is that there isn't a big drop from the slope and the fresh snow. So whenever you want, you can get on the fresh snow and then back on the slope. There's even a little bit of a forest that you can enter, just climb a wall on the left side. It's very nice. Another nice little wall to climb on the right side, just off the piste. Let's go down and maybe try going there as well. Plenty of fun. This one is really nice actually. It's not as long, not even as close as long as the Capital High one. But yeah, I think I prefer this. Really nice. Another cool one for beginners. It's the morning of the next day, and after carefully thinking over the situation, I decided to leave today, back to Beijing. The reason for it is because today everyone's resting, no one's snowboarding today. Tomorrow there's going to be competition, so we're not going to do a lot of free riding. The day after tomorrow is going to be really cloudy, so I thought 3 more days of probably not really enjoying it. And I decided that, you know, going to leave on a high note, having an absolute blast here for almost 10 days. So yeah, I guess it's a bye-bye to hemu. It's been a great pleasure, and really hope to be here next year.